Kling 3 is out and breaking the records for the most consistent AI video generator. I'm gonna show you how you can try free as for now. Early access. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you're doing great and fantastic. New to my channel, subscribe to support. Here is the OpenAI AI. First time sign in or sign up, you will get 120 credits. Click on model, choose the Kling 3.0 from the video. Then click on plus button to upload your photo. I'm gonna type very basic prompt, turn it into multiple shots, seem a high quality video, two persons fighting each other, and make sure video is complete 15 seconds. So Kling 3.0 is support 15 seconds of video, multiple cuts, shots and angle, just like the cinema quality of the Hollywood. This is the most consistent, not the same level of the Hollywood, but the most reliable. So you can see here the video is ready. This is the much better in comparison to any others. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Kling 3.0 is early access. This is the most easy way to try Kling 3.0 on app. My prompt is very basic, but still it comes with the really good quality of video and the sound. Kling 3.0 is really good when it comes to understand the multiple cuts, angles, and the scenes into one prompt. The overall sound, background noise, and then the character consistency is great here. This is the most easy way to access Kling 3.0 as for now. Just like the Kling 3.0, I'm gonna show you the Seedance 2.0 very soon. For this, subscribe to never miss. See you soon in the new video.